In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 things that you need to set up your Facebook content monetization in Nigeria and how you can get this thing easily here in Nigeria. So you are going to need 4 things to set up your Facebook content monetization in Nigeria here if you have been invited by Facebook. So the first thing that you are going to need is your TIN, that is your tax identification number. And the second thing that you are going to need is your domiciliary account, that is your dollar account. And the fourth thing is your SWIFT code. Yes, SWIFT code. And the last thing is your zip code, also known as postal code. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can get it in easily here in Nigeria. So the first item on the list is your TIN, that is your tax identification number. So for you to get this, just walk into any local government office of your choice and ask them for tax identification number, and they are going to issue it for you. And the second thing is your domiciliary account. Yes, that is your dollar account. So for you to get this thing, for you to get this dollar account, you have to choose any bank of your choice. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can get it in easily here in Nigeria. It could be UBA, GTB. I actually prefer UBA or GT. Access Bank and Zenith Bank do issue it, but me personally, I prefer UBA because their own is much easier than any other bank there. Yeah, UBA or GT, but you know GT now, there's a way I don't really understand their thing. So that's why I prefer UBA. So just walk into any UBA or any bank of your choice and ask them that you want a domiciliary account, that's a dollar account. Then they are going to give you a form. You take the form home to go and fill. In this form, they will ask you to include 2 guarantors. What they mean by this guarantor, they don't mean that this guarantor are going to follow you to the bank. This guarantor is someone that have a dollar account or current account, so they need 2 guarantors. What they need from this guarantor is just their account number and signature. Yeah, and it's 2. And this guarantor must have either a dollar account or a current account. So any of the 2, if you know someone that have a dollar account or that have a current account, so 2 people, so just go with their account number and their signature. Yes, inside the form that they give you, they'll provide a space where you are going to write this thing. So they just have to sign and then write their account number. So that's what you need. And when you are returning the form, you have to go with fiscal dollar, like $10. Some banks require $25 or $20. But in the case of UBA, they do require $10. You go with fiscal $10. You can get it from all those local forex trader industry, all those aboki. You understand? Like just go there with your naira and they'll give you dollar, your fiscal dollar. Just go and exchange it there, and then you take it to the bank. Yes, that money is going to be there. They are not going to that money. If you pay that money, if you open the account with this money, the money is going to be there when your account start functioning. The money is there. It's not that they will take the money. So they just want you to come with it. You know that they just want to stress you. You understand? So just go with that thing. If you just provide all these documents that I say, then your account will start working. Yes, and then the next thing on the list is your SWIFT code. If you go to some bank, they'll tell you they don't know it. Yeah, some people actually know it, but they'll tell you they don't know it. Walk to that bank that you open that dollar account with. Just go there, walk to that bank and tell them that you need SWIFT code or that particular account. Yes, just tell them that you need that SWIFT code, and they are going to generate it for you. If those people that are at the front tell you they don't know it, ask for their manager. Their manager, they'll know it. Some of them do say they don't know it or they don't have it. Yes, just make sure, pressure them, tell them that you need it, or ask for their bank manager. They'll give it to you. It's a SWIFT code. When you want to receive money from abroad, you usually need this code. So let them give you your SWIFT code. And then the last thing is your postal code. That is your zip code. For you to get it, just carry your phone, type postal code of your area. For example, now let me say I'm in Lekki. I'll just go to Google and type postal code or zip code for Lekki phase 1, where I do stay. Yeah. Just type it and you see it on Google, then just copy it. So after you get these 4 items, then you can go ahead and set up your Facebook content monetization in Nigeria. Immediately you get it, just go to your dashboard on your Facebook, and then you see the click, and then you see the setup. You know they have already invited you. You see the setup, then click it and then fill all these things. If you click setup and you put all your information except the dollar account, except your account, then you have to wait for them to approve first. Until they approve your monetization before they will provide space for you to put your account. Yes, that dollar account, before they will provide it. Some people do use Nigeria local bank account, but it's not actually advisable because some issue do arises like that. So I don't really recommend it. So I don't I'm not going to talk about it in this video. So this is basically what you need to set up your Facebook content monetization in Nigeria. It's as simple as this. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. So if you find this video helpful, then I do highly recommend you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Or if you are watching from Facebook, then I do highly recommend you to please follow us and like this video. Thank you so much. You know, your engagement is what keeps us creating. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. This is How To by Big Jonam. I do really appreciate you. Thank you. As per usual, friend, hand to head. Salute.